Oh yeah, baby, here she comes. Man, that is impressive every damn time. It does not get old. Look at that. Nice. Bunch of graffiti and a bunch of what looks like paper. Alright then. Tired of my caboose joke. Bring back the caboose. I'm old and need to be a comedian. All my references are antiquated. How can you tell someone that they got something loose in their caboose if you don't have a fucking caboose? Right? Pretty soon I'll just be standing around on stage going, I remember Marilyn Monroe and Ava Gabor, and people are going to be like, what is that old man talking about? Can you just shut him up? Who's Marilyn Monroe and Ava Gabor, and what is a caboose? We have no idea what a caboose is. Okay, there's something loose, but other than that, we didn't understand a word you said. Ava Gabor, what is she, a Russian spy? A German hooker? What are you even talking about? Caboose. No such thing as a caboose. They get it. I'm saying. Bye, train. Goodbye, train. Bye, train. You can't stop it. I know. Don't get in its way. I was getting intimidated by the conductor. I could feel him staring me down like, hey, I'm doing a job here. I'm like, I know. I'm doing a job too. Fuck you. Bye, train. Okay. Turn off the camera, Joe. Okay.